my crafty YouTube family. This is part 2 of the 40 TNs for Honors Hope. As some of you may know, my little one, my 3-year-old, is have special needs, and we are trying to raise money on GoFundMe for her service dog, and it's a big chunk of change in order to get it. And so I have created all these TNs for Honors Hope. All the proceeds, every single penny, will be going into her GoFundMe page. You could either directly make a donation for your TN there. You just have to let me know and I'll be able to verify that it's you. Or you could just email me and we'll get in contact through there via PayPal, friends and family. The ones that do not sell will be going up in my Etsy shop, and of course once it's in Etsy it will be costing a little bit more. So the cheapest way will be through this video, through email, or just making the donation directly to the GoFundMe page. So I will have the link below to my Etsy shop as well as Honors Hope's GoFundMe page. So let's get started. The first one that I would like to share in this video is the Prima paper collection called Lavender, and this is the way it looks front and back. It has a cute little pom-pom here. It has these beads that you can definitely remove. When you open it, it has the shaker pocket, and I just love playing with these things. The shaker is so very pretty. It has little sparkles inside. Here goes your one of the first inserts, and it is your planner. You have a resin flower there, and your planner is from 2019 to 2020, and it has little images of kittens. Isn't that so cute? Here goes your page marker, and it's very simple. Here goes the back of your shaker pocket, and it has 2 tags from the collection. Here goes the next insert. It has a cute little pom-pom paper clip, and it has lined paper. Here goes the front of your dashboard. It has the coffee cup sticky notes. On the inside has some more sticky notes, and then comes your folder, and it has some planner stickers and quite a bit of stickers there. Then you have some bling here, as well as a laminated large tag. And here goes the other side of your dashboard with some a notepad. And then here goes the back of your dashboard with butterfly sticky notes. Here goes the excess. I left it so that way you can remove the beads. If you don't want to remove them, all you have to do is just cut it right here. So here goes the next insert, and it is plain white paper and a beautiful flower paper clip there, and that is the back. I have ordered some clear adhesive pockets. As soon as they come in, the TNs that are still here, I will be adding pockets inside of the TN. So this is the Prima paper Lavender 1. The next one is the Prima Lavender paper collection 2, and this one has a cute tassel, and that's the way it looks front and back. Here goes your shaker, and this one is similar to the other one, but it just has a little bit, the green is the more dominant, I guess you would say, in this one. Here goes your planner. It has a cute silver bowl paper clip. Your planner is 2019 to 2020, and this one have images of beautiful locations around the world. Here goes the back pocket of your shaker, and it has 2 tags in here. One is laminated and one isn't, just in case you want a die cut. Here goes your page marker, simple. Here you have a cute pom-pom in your paper insert with lined papers. Here goes the front of your dashboard with a notepad. Here goes the inside of your dashboard. Then we have your folder. It has bling, it has planner stickers, an extra paperclip embellishment, a laminated tag, and a tag that is not laminated. Here goes the inside of your dashboard, and on the outside you have coffee cup sticky notes. And then this is the last insert with white paper and another embellishment there. If there's any paperclip embellishments that you would rather, I could always swap them out, or if you want me to swap the dangle on the outside, I can do that as well. So that is Prima number 2. So the first one is 1, the second one is number 2. I do have a few LOLs. I did purchase this one from Lisa Goss, and I'm gonna put this one up for auction. But I did like recreate the cover of this LOL. I just loved the layout, so I just recreated it. I hope she doesn't mind. And here goes the pom-pom, and it has bling on it. Very cute. And it has black elastic. When you open it, you can see your shaker. So super cute. Here goes your planner. And of course the planner is from 2019 to 2020, I believe. Hold on. Well, actually, yeah, it's from 2019 to 2020. Here goes the back pocket of your shaker. It has 2 tags inside. Here goes your page marker. Very simple. Here goes the first insert with your lined paper, a flower embellishment. Here goes the folder. It has some tags. Inside of your folder, there's a pom-pom and white paper, excuse me. And here goes the other side of your folder with some planner stickers and some bling. And then here in the back is your dashboard and a cute little kawaii star. You have a heart sticky notes and a coffee cup sticky notes and another paper clip. And that is that. So this is the LOL. I do have another LOL that I am working on. I will post that one up in the next video. The next one that I would like to share with you is this one, and I believe this is a Craftsmith paper collection. I do not remember the name of it right now. Here goes a cute little fluffy pom-pom. That's the way it looks front and back. Like I said before, you can remove these. When you open it, you have your shaker, then you have your planner with a cute little bow here. Planner's 2019 to 2020, and it has scriptures here. So it has beautiful scriptures from the Bible. Here goes the pocket to the shaker, and it has 2 tags here. Here goes your page marker. The first insert, cute little flower there, some lined paper. Here goes your folder. It has planner stickers, some bling, a laminated tag, and a tag that is not laminated, just in case you want to die cut. Here goes your dashboard. It has butterfly sticky notes, emoji. Here goes the next insert. It has a bow and a star at the back, and that is the back of your dashboard. So I left that blank just in case you wanted to add your own sticky notes, if you wanted to add something in particular. So that is number 4. Number 5 is this one. Excuse me, I have to make space. Number 5 is this one. They're all A6 planners, and he has a cute little pom-pom here. And this is the canvas cover that you get from Hobby Lobby. It has silver elastic. When you open it, you see your planner, and this is the Love Story by Prima. Has a cute little flower paper clip there. You have your 2019-2020 planner, and you have your cute little shaker. And here goes your first insert with lined paper and a cute little bow there. Here goes the back side of your shaker pocket. It has 2 tags in there. Here goes the front of your dashboard with some sticky notes. Inside of your dashboard, sticky notes, notepad, and some more sticky notes there. Here goes your page marker with a pocket and a tag. And here goes the back of your dashboard. Here goes the next insert. There's a cute little pom-pom, more lined paper. And here goes your folder, the beginning of your folder, and it has some tags in here. And then you have some bling, some planner stickers, and here goes the other side of your insert with more lined paper and a cute little bow from Hobby Lobby at the back. And the inside of this is a cute little brown color, and of course your pen is pink with pink ink. So this one is the canvas colored one, and it's A6. They're all A6. The next one that I would like to show you, and the final one in this video, it reminds me the colors of a coffee, so I'm calling this the coffee theme one, even though it doesn't have any particular pictures of coffee in it. But you could remove this, and it just says coffee there. It has a cute pom-pom there. That's the way it looks front and back. Here goes your planner. It has a cute little gold bow there, and 2018 and 2019 with an address book inside. Here goes your first insert with a little pom-pom with some lined paper, and this one has a lot of paper in it, like it's jam-packed. The next one, it has a coffee cup, and I forgot to say it has a cute little cup, teacup paper clip there. The next one is your folder, and in your folder you have a coffee cup paper clip, then you have some tags here, a little notepad, coffee cup notepad with paperclip embellishment. Here goes your dashboard, post-it notes, sticky notes, and some more sticky notes, and some bling in the back. And here goes a cute little paper clip. Then you have your next insert, which is more lined paper and a crochet donut. And this is your page marker, very simple. So this one I like to call my coffee colored TN. So that is it for this video. I will see you with the rest of the TNs in the upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for being so supportive. This has been a very tough time in my family's life. It has not been easy, and it has been the support of so many friends from YouTube that have like really given me the strength and the support that I need right now, and I'd like to thank you all for that. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.